Welcome back. In an era where technological advancement leaps forward at an unprecedented pace, we find ourselves at a crucial crossroads between innovation and privacy. The idea of employing technology to enhance safety and efficiency is undeniably attractive. Yet it brings with it the specter of a dystopian future where surveillance becomes ubiquitous and privacy a relic of the past. This article explores the delicate balance we must strike to harness the power of technology while safeguarding our fundamental rights to privacy. The allure of technology as a tool for ensuring safety and order is clear. From smart cities equipped with CCTV cameras to sophisticated AI algorithms predicting criminal activity, technology promises a more secure, organized, and efficient society. However, this comes with a significant caveat: the potential for pervasive surveillance. This scenario isn't purely speculative. Across the globe, we are witnessing a steady incline in surveillance measures. While these measures are often justified as necessary for security or public health, they raise profound questions about the erosion of personal freedoms and privacy. One of the core concerns is the concept of function creep, where technology initially deployed for one purpose gradually expands into more intrusive applications. For instance, facial recognition technology, initially used for identifying criminals, could potentially be used to track the movements and habits of the general populace. Moreover, the data collected through such technologies is susceptible to misuse, whether by governments, corporations, or cybercriminals. The more data amassed, the greater the risk of it being used for purposes other than those initially intended, including unwarranted surveillance and profiling. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that technology, in itself, is not a malevolent force. It's a tool, and like any tool, its impact is determined by how it's used. The challenge, therefore, lies in developing and enforcing robust regulatory frameworks that ensure technology is used ethically and responsibly. Conclusion: as we continue to embrace technological advancements, it's imperative that we remain vigilant about the implications these technologies have on our privacy and freedoms. The fine line between a secure, technologically advanced society and a surveillance state is one that we must tread carefully. The conversation about balancing technological advancement with privacy rights is not just necessary, it's urgent. We invite you to engage in this dialogue, share your thoughts, and contribute to shaping a future where technology serves humanity without infringing on our fundamental rights. Please like, subscribe, and comment with your views on this critical issue. For more resources and information, check the description below. Together, let's navigate this crossroads with awareness and foresight, ensuring that technology remains a tool for empowerment, not a leash on our freedoms. In this digital age, the decisions we make today will define the landscape of our future. Let's make those decisions wisely.